Okay. Well, you know what? We didn't get classes.
I showed it 1-0.
I remember we used to get classes.
You don't get anything.
This is the table 2 day, which is the pre-qual and the qual day. So it's just pretty much some live action drills, and it's a fairly fast course of fire. It's done at the 25 and 100 yard line. So you'll see the 25-yard line course of fire in a moment.
I mean, they changed.
Yeah, that's what I was telling him yesterday. And then it was weird.
Standing right, 4 seconds. Stand by, contact. Ceasefire, failure drill, standing left, 5 seconds. Stand by, contact. Ceasefire, control pit, standing left, kneeling left, 7 seconds. Stand by, contact. Ceasefire, failure drill, kneeling left, 8 seconds. Stand by, contact. Ceasefire, control pit, standing left, standing right, 6 seconds. Stand by, contact. Ceasefire, at this time, drop to equal tactical reload of a magazine of 19 rounds. Do not rock it back, you should have 1 in the chamber. Once again, do not rock it back, you should have 1 in the chamber. Stand there to the side when you're done.
Now, with this one, I wasn't quite able to hold the camera again, so these are the moving targets, and you'll see more of those in the pits, what that looks like. You can't see it from this angle, but what's going to happen is, this is after moving back to the 100-yard line. They're going to move up targets, and you have to shoot the movers as they move. You're going to drop to the knee like they did, and then shoot at the movers to try to place 8 rounds on it. I was not able to get this, but you will see more of it when we go to the table 2 pits. So you can just watch this and then you'll see more in the pits.
boat we went on was glass clear. Like had a glass bottom on it, you could see down to the fish and the coral reef. And, like you see people fucking scuba diving in there and swimming underneath his boat and shit. It was really fucking cool. Like that's awesome. It was amazing. And the one you got that rock formation that looks like a dragon.
Fire, keep fire at this time, shoot at this time.
I just wanted to showcase the target so you can kind of watch it get shot up. It's pretty cool. So just watch and you'll see the rounds hit. I tried to get it in slow-mo, but I couldn't time it just right. So this is what it looks like when you're down there. And, you know, the table 2 is a little bit easier because they're going to shoot a whole bunch of rounds, and the process is a lot quicker and easier, a lot less manual labor you have to perform. So we're going to do a table 2 close to fire. I just wanted to hear you guys. I let you guys hear the Marines speaking. I don't know. I'm sure people like that.
Spend time with them. Make sure everything's good. Don't tell me that, man. I'm gonna fuck that shit. I stay home. Contact. And that was all free. I left. When I left recruiter school.
Stand by, contact.
So this is the movers that I was not able to get that I wanted you to see. So he's going to lift it up, and he's going to walk slowly from side to side, and that's what you have to shoot at the 100-yard line. So that's what everyone's doing here, and that's what it looks like. So I was not able to film this from the other side, but this is what it is, and this is part of the table 2 course of fire.
Get them back up and move towards
Once
that
that's
little
done,
end.
then we leave for the day, and we're done with the rifle.
Down.
Alright, is still a qualified expert in my long job. Okay, good. Now.
I'll close shoulders from the beginning. But as long as you have holes on the paper, we're all going to make 100, don't worry about it.
You shot pretty well. After the headshot, I was surprised.
That was just, I didn't see that coming.
I don't think I actually did.
You still straight
I
up?
don't know. I kind of want to know if I actually did.
As long as there's holes on the
I
paper,
get 100 because like
we're
I
all
didn't
getting
miss any
100,
shots.
don't worry about it.
Were you second? Where were you
I
at?
was third.
Yo, 109. I still got
109? Yeah, you got him.
happened when I was doing the
You're right. I was right down the
speed
phone. Right down the. I was like 4 or 5.
So the best part is cleaning your weapon afterwards, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to include some pictures that I took while I was on the range. It's pretty beautiful out there. And if you liked this video and would like to see more, just please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll produce more. Thank you.